Do you like pineapples? In today's video, we will teach you how to make a pineapple skin tea to enjoy the benefits of the whole fruit. It is not a secret that a healthy diet includes fruits, vegetables, and green leaves. But it is important to pay attention to some points when buying these foods to get all the benefits. Do you really know how to choose the best pineapple at the market? Watch the suggested video to learn more. Did you know that the skin of pineapple has 38% more vitamin C than its flesh? This high nutritional value is characteristic of skins, seeds, leaves, and stems. However, many people still throw them all away. Do you also do it, or do you use the whole fruit? The advantage of pineapple skin tea is that besides reducing waste, it is also a way of keeping the fruit's nutrients. This tea is a good alternative for eating pineapples and enjoying benefits such as improving digestion, avoiding constipation, preventing diseases like rheumatism and arthritis, and cleansing the blood. Incredible, right? The same goes for other fruits. Orange peel has 40 times more calcium than the pulp, while apple and tangerine peels have double the vitamin C compared to the pulps. Isn't nature amazing? Shall we go to the recipe? To make this pineapple skin tea, you will need 35.2 ounces water, pineapple skins, 5 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 10 mint leaves. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Thoroughly rinse the pineapple skins and slice them into smaller pieces. Put the water in a pot and heat it uncovered. Let the water warm up before adding the other ingredients. Once it starts boiling, add the pineapple skins. Right after, add the cloves and cinnamon stick. There is no need to stir it. The ingredients will release flavor during the infusion. Lastly, add the mint leaves. It will highlight the flavor, bringing a touch of freshness to the tea. Now, cover the pot with a lid and let it boil for around 5 minutes. You can check it once in a while by opening the lid. The mint must be wilted and the water changed colors. Once it is ready, remove the skins, cloves, and cinnamon stick. If you wish, you can keep the mint leaves. Serve it hot or cold during winter or summer. You can keep the tea in the fridge for up to 3 days. Choose glass containers with lids to better preserve the flavor and properties. Try our pineapple skin tea and improve your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.